Hola amics Catalan. I love to congratulate you with the start of the campaign of the referendum. I want to make a special thank and a special felicitation to all 60,000 popular referendum volunteers who will finally get their official referendum. Flanders will support you. We don't doubt that it will be a great success. Flanders is behind you. Let Catalonia be an example for all regions who are still fighting and struggling to get their right to self-determination. I have all my trust in you. Dear Catalan friends, make Catalonia a great nation again. Visca Catalonia, Visca Flanders. I am Jan, a Flemish Democrat. For yes.
Hello to all Catalans ready to exercise their right to determine the future of all Catalonia. We, Veneti, feel so close to your democratic fight. We both have been hidden by the Spanish and the Italian state in their obsession to manipulate history. But the battle is still on. Let's restore our independence. Let's stand up. Let's free the real history so we can all live a real future. I am Davide, a Venet Democrat for yes.
Hello, my name's Amar Amwa. I'm part of the Scottish Democrats for Yes. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish my brothers and sisters in the Catalonian movement for independence the very best. I hope the people of Catalonia, once and for all, will take control of their own destiny and vote for independence and set a trailblazing example of what is possible when a people united decide to take control of their own destiny and to be able to change the future of generations to come for the very best. So I wish you all the luck in the world, and I hope that we, in the weeks and the months and the years ahead, will be celebrating with our brothers and sisters in Catalonia the independence of Catalonia, but also the independence of Scotland. Thank you.